CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2 Identify Notational Systems. Octal. We've already looked at 3 notational systems. Decimal, the one we use every day. Binary, the one computers rely on. And hexadecimal, which helps simplify large amounts of binary data. Now it's time to meet a 4th system. You might not hear about this one as often, but it still plays an important role in IT. It's called the octal notational system. The word octal includes the prefix oct, which means 8. You've probably heard it in words like octagon, a shape with 8 sides, or octopus, a creature with 8 arms. In the same way, the octal system is based on the number 8. So what does that actually mean? The octal number system uses 8 digits. Those digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's it. Just those 8. In octal, the count stops at 7. After that, it rolls over to the next place value. This might feel a little abstract at first, especially if you've only ever used the decimal system. Decimal is so deeply built into our daily lives that we rarely even think about how it works. We just count from 0 to 9, and once we reach 10, we add another digit and keep going. It's automatic. But octal is different. In the octal system, you only have 8 digits to work with. 0 through 7. That's it. There's no 8. There's no 9. So, when you count an octal and reach the value of 8, it doesn't get written as an 8. It rolls over to the next place value, just like decimal does after 9. Let's say you're counting in decimal. You go from 8 to 9, then 10. In octal, you go from 6 to 7, then 1 0. That 1 0 in octal doesn't mean 10 in decimal, it actually means 8. And that's the key difference. When we look at the systems side by side, it becomes easier to understand what's happening. Octal may look a bit different, but it's still using a place value system, just like decimal, binary, or hexadecimal. It's simply based on 8 symbols instead of 10, 2, or 16. Once you see the pattern, it all starts to make sense. Now let's talk about how octal works. Just like decimal increases by factors of 10, and binary increases by factors of 2, octal increases by factors of 8. So the place values in octal go like this. The far right digit is worth 1. The next digit to the left is worth 8. Then comes 64. Then 512. After that, the pattern continues, multiplying by 8 each time you move to the left. So why would we use a system like this? Just like hexadecimal, octal was created to make long binary numbers easier to manage. Each octal digit can represent exactly 3 binary digits. This made octal especially useful in the early days of computing. Back then, memory was limited, and simplicity was key. Octal gave programmers a compact way to work with binary data without needing to type or read long strings of zeros and ones. It was fast, efficient, and matched the technology of the time. But as computers got more powerful and systems became more advanced, hexadecimal started to take over. Hexadecimal could handle even larger values using fewer digits. Over time, it became the standard for most modern digital systems. Today, hexadecimal is far more common. But you might still see octal in some older technologies, or in legacy systems that were built before hexadecimal became the go-to solution. So knowing and understanding octal still has its uses. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.